Hi everyone, welcome to the Messy Desk. So in my previous video, I talked about why you should not get a Hobonichi planner, and in this video, it's only right for me to talk about why you should get a Hobonichi planner. If you have not checked out my previous video, please do so. The link is in the description box below, and I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Now on to the video. Number 1, you love Tomoe River paper. So now for why you might want to get a Hobonichi planner. 1, the paper basically. If you like Turmeric River paper, fountain friendly paper, if you like the thinness, the smoothness, whatever reason, this is the only planner that I know of that uses Turmeric River paper. There are other journals, planners with nice paper out there, but if you like this particular paper, yep, go for it. Number 2, you love the planner layout. If you like the layout, if this layout works for you, then again, you should go for it. So there are a lot of people who swear by the Hobonichi layout. It helps improve their productivity. Personally, I use it more as a journal. I'm planning to use the weeks more as a planner, but this is a pretty common layout. Hobonichi is not the only one with this layout, so maybe the next reason will be more appealing to you instead. Number 3, the large selection of designs. Now another reason why you might like Hobonichi is because of all the various designs they have. Like this shiny holographic Inuyasha here. They have lots of pretty covers. So I got this cover a couple of years back. It's called Geometric, and it's a pity they did not come out with it in A5 size because I absolutely loved the color. The design is so bright, vibrant and fun. That's why I got it. And this cover, I got it last year. So they also come out with lots of designs every year. Lasers, zip pouches, so much more. The designs are definitely geared more towards the feminine market, and they have lots of collaboration with artists and designers. So if that's your style, then you're going to love Hobonichi covers. Number 4, quality and thoughtfulness in design. So the next reason why you should get Hobonichi is the quality. So this cover over here I've been using since 2016. That's been over 3 years. You can see it's kind of dirty now, but it's still in very good condition. The sewing is done really well. The cover, the fabric is very thick and very solid. You could use them forever, and they are very, very thoughtful. It's the whole Japan design aesthetic and thinking that they incorporate into their stuff. Like the covers, they have a tiny pouch where you could put something like maybe your SIM card or SD card. This one, it could put name cards maybe. You can put like credit cards or whatever stuff you may fancy. You have some stains here, but the cover is really fine. You can have stuff in the back pocket. They even have a pocket at the back here, which is covered up by my cover on cover here. So here, this one has a plain cover on cover, and you can open it and access the back pocket here. And this is something that they have with all covers. This is really nice. And this cover on cover comes separately. You get it separately from their website. It costs a few dollars. It's not that expensive, but again, you can see the thoughtful thinking when they made it. So for the plain ones, you get a little pouch to access the back pocket. Not so for those with designs, because they don't want to disrupt the design, but like how they cut the plastic is a little thinner here so that the pen loop can go through, and the space left is just nice. So all these little thoughtful details, these are what I like about the Hobonichi items. Also, I have to say that the quality of even these plastic covers on covers are really good. I've been using this one for 3 years now, and I actively use this journal for like 2 years. The only damage I see is this part. You can see it's broken, and that's it. I don't bring my journals out, but for using it for 3 years, this is really good. So yeah, it's definitely good quality. Number 5, amazing Hobonichi original accessories. You also have plenty of accessories to choose from, like pencil boards and different covers on covers, especially more for those who bought plain covers, I suppose. They also come up with other accessories like notebooks, folders, and drawer pouches. I have some of their drawer pouches here. This is a really useful size that I use it as like a pencil case. This is a brand new one. I got it last year. Wanted to use it more for traveling, but we all know what happened. Still waiting for the world to open up, but I've used this before. And I have got like my washi tape stash in here and some stencils. But what you can do is you can put all sorts of pens in here, like brush pens and whatnot, even like deco tapes. And then you can still put stuff in the center and zip it all up. So this is their small drawer pouch. This is the large drawer pouch that you could fit A5 notebooks in. So I have a lot of paper in here. I have a whole Rhodia writing pad. I have some of my previous calligraphy tries and more paper. And yeah, you can put quite a lot of stuff in all these little pouches, like cards or scissors and washi tape, washi rolls even. There's another big pouch here. There's a center little zipper. You can put stuff in here. So yeah, they come up with some really nice accessories to go with the journals or just to bring out. And that's what I like about their brand as well. So these are the reasons why you might want to check out the Hobonichi brand. Of course, I also really love their pencil boards. Going to have a separate video for that, so keep a lookout and please subscribe to this channel so you won't miss it. Alright, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.